Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power the bridge in Arknights Endfield. So let's get started. Now, during the mission westward into the Vale, you'll reach a broken electric bridge that you need to activate by transmitting power from an electric nexus. What you can do is you can fast travel to the nearest core AIC area to start this objective, and the nearest one is right over here. So go ahead and teleport to that area. Now from here, when you try to begin transmission, you'll notice right away that your limit is only 80 meters, which isn't nearly enough to connect to the bridge. And that's where relay towers come in. So what you want to do, you want to open your facility list, go to placement, construction, and craft relay towers using Orgo crust. Now, if you already have towers, just press Alt, open your briefcase, and drag one onto your hotbar. Start the transmission, just run until you hit the range limit, then place a relay tower just like this one. And from here, what you need to do is you want to reconnect the signal. Then once done, you want to repeat the same process. So just run and place a tower, reconnect until your power line finally reaches the electric nexus near the bridge. So this is the last one. So let me just quickly show you. There we go. As you can see, it reaches this electric nexus. And once connected, the bridge will light up and become usable, letting you cross and continue the mission. It's basically a moving power chain, so you extend your range step by step using relay towers until the circuit is complete. And that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!